internet has spread a lot since the dawn of the human history. The Holy Bible remains the most published book ever with close to 5 billion copies since the invention of the printing press in 1450 by Gutenberg. And on the other hand, Despacito remains the most viewed video on YouTube with close to 6.9 billion views, and it was uploaded in 2017. So that is the power of internet. And the power of internet has given rise to the meme culture. The meme culture has escalated so quickly that it holds the power of changing the perception among the people. The talent can influence people so quickly, and it is a new tool for digital era in India. Everybody who surfs through the internet is aware and enjoys scrolling through memes on several social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, etc. You don't know what's a meme? That's the exact reaction that somebody would give you if you tell them that you are unaware of the term meme. Memes target everybody, even the ones who don't intend to become a meme material. Creating a meme isn't simple. It requires a lot of humorous thoughts to create something that everybody perceives as funny and meaningful. So in this video we're going to discuss about the history of memes, the importance and the growing meme culture in India, and what conclusion that we all can draw from this growing culture. So let's just begin. As social media has captured a reach of millions of people, there came another revolution in the digital space called as memes. A meme is a post embellished with a text that endures funny statements or emotions to establish cultural transmissions. It is a concept that hijacks the original idea altered by human creativity. Memes can include several types of it, including dark, deep, reaction-based, political statements turned funny, and many more. Flooded over your screens every day, they are responsible for bringing a humorous tale. Memes can be considered as a fuel on which the social media runs on. Without memes, social media serves no fun. The dominant part of the present memes that are primarily circulated on social media are edited photographs approached by every citizen with an attempt to create a greater impact on the users of social media. The term meme was first coined by the biologist Richard Dawkins in his book The Selfish Gene to describe gene-like infectious units of culture that spreads from person to person by copying or imitation. Meme was initially described as anything that could spread over the internet with no specific content to it. One of the oldest internet memes was a sideways smiley face formed using punctuation marks on 19 September 1982 by Scott Fahlman. He suggested this to depict an emotion in exchange of dialogues. For example, if the emotion was funny on one side, they would add a simple smiley face or a sideways smiley face to depict that particular emotion. This particular suggestion got escalated among the people and soon it became a meme. And further, new emoticons were added like XD, equals round bracket, and even colon D. The meme culture traveled from West to India, and new advancement on the internet has made it the primary source of popularity. The evolution began in the early 2000s when various social media networks opened up, and it gave birth to Rajinikanth vs CID jokes and Meme Mandir among others. Meme makers in India were given a platform to put down their thoughts into words and a space for self-reflection which gets viral and leaves an impact in the minds of people. India being the hub of Bollywood, there was no way that memes did not feature mocking of actors and imitating their dialogues from iconic movies. Though we have seen a lot of international memes, it is needless to say that as long as you can relate to the meme, it holds a lot of importance, and once it is not relatable, it holds zero importance. Hence, Bollywood memes are the most circulated memes in our country. And memes have grown so much in popularity where you have to ask the question, why? Memes control the internet culture as popular meme pages draw millions of followers every single day. People around the world are relying on that particular release of dopamine in their brain through a laugh at their favorite meme page. According to a Google study held in 2016, the keyword meme is searched more than the term Jesus Christ. From my personal experience, every person that I know follows at least one meme page, and there is always a meme that we all can relate to. So what causes this widespread of memes? According to Telegraph, the average human attention span has recently dropped from 12 seconds to 8 seconds, docking us below that of a goldfish. People are very much less likely to read articles, watch movies or even read newspaper columns when it comes to consumption of media, to get themselves updated with everything happening, because all of the above mentioned activities involves a lot of time and effort. Just a photo with a few text and you don't actually require headphones or a widescreen. This shortened focus time make use of memes a way to not only understand and consume comedy, but also to participate in political activism by just turning on their favorite meme page to discover the most recent controversy. Some people might claim that memes only show the humorous side of a story, but this is what the youth want to see and what they are willing to see. Memes mask one's true declaration of their views through humor, and creating or sharing memes allow people to express their offensive or contrary views while still getting a laugh from other people. But in simple terms, memes are funny and they bring in a large amount of audience. The creative way in which meme pages poke fun at the various elements of life is highly addictive, and their success will keep on increasing. With the increasing number of smartphone users, the meme pages seem to be losing their harmless and their light humor side. It can be now observed that the meme circulated nowadays involves a lot of dark humor and untraceable digital revenge, and it spreads in a drop of dime, causing a large amount of harm to the targeted people, especially celebrities. Celebrities are targeted on regular basis, and even a small reaction from them gets circulated, hampering the image of the celebrity. Experts have confirmed that unchecked use of memes could disturb the social fabric in India, and it is crossing the line of harmless humor to mockery. The memes are circulated in high values, and the easiness involved in generating a meme promotes the youngsters to create mocking memes on adults to take their revenge, and these memes are circulated in high numbers. It is observed that to earn profit and to maximize the engagement of crowd on their page, they tend to spread fake news and rumors to attract the prospective audience. Hence, in one place where the memes have got the power to spread positivity and humor, it also holds the power to spread negativity on topics like rape. We have seen that the meme culture has evolved a lot, and so have the people, but the creators are mostly youngsters who like to make fun of almost everything. It is a great pastime for all of us to surf through the internet and to find something hilarious and share them among our groups, but these small creators have made a career out of this thing. Few companies like ScoopWhoop, OK Tested, RVCJ Insta like to hire these people who have made their presence on social media, and these companies create a lot of photo content and video content which involves a lot of creativity. Hence, becoming a memer is not a bad thing, and talented people can definitely make a career out of it. But the negative views can end them up in a deep trouble. So as the internet is going to keep expanding, I do feel that the meme culture is going to keep evolving and expanding, and this is going to be the primary source of spreading information in the coming years. That's all I have for this video. I will see you in the next one. And then keep smiling, keep spreading smiles, and stay happy all day, every day, everywhere.